Hello everyone. Let's start to discuss about exercise of lesson number 8, that is body movements. Okay, so total 4 questions are there. Fill in the blanks, true or false, match the following and answer the following. I hope that you have completed your exercise. Now only we are going to check that your answers are correct or not. Okay. Before this video, you have to write your exercise in your notebook. This video is only for helping you. Okay, check means the correction of your answers. Okay, so see question number 1, fill in the blanks. First question, joints of the bones help in the dash dash of the body. Okay, joints means what? Two bones, okay, a body part or the part that join the two bones, and that joints help in the movement of the body. Okay, so the answer is movement. Next one, a combination of bones and cartilages forms the dash dash of the body. Okay, when the bones, cartilages are there, then there is a framework, and that framework is known as skeleton. Okay, see the spelling. Okay, understood the second one. Next, the bones at the elbow are joined by a dash dash. Means here you have to write a type of joint by which the elbows are joined. So that joint is hinge joint. Okay, H-I-N-G-E, hinge. So write that or check your answer. Then the contraction of the dash dash pulls the bones during movement. Okay, so here is a movement. Wait a minute. Okay, so the contraction of which part pulls the bones during the movement? There is a contraction in muscles. So the answer is muscles. With the help of contraction of the muscles, the bones are pulls during the movement. Understood? Next, true or false. Write the whole sentence and then write false if the sentence is false, then true. In full word you have to write the true and false. Okay, don't write only T and F. See the first one, the movement and locomotion of all animals is exactly the same. Is it? No. So the statement is false, as all the animals move by using different body parts and by different way. Next one, the cartilages are harder than bones. Tell me the answer. What you have written? Yes, so the answer is false. Cartilages are not harder than the bones. Then the finger bones do not have joints. Check your hands and legs. Is it? No, so the answer is false. Fingers are also having joints. Then the forearm has two bones. Is it correct? Yes. So write here true. And the last one, that is cockroaches have an outer skeleton. Skeleton means what? The framework of bones. So cockroaches have an outer skeleton. So the sentence is true. Okay. Next, match the following. See, in column 1, 5 given, and here you can see the 7 options are there. Means maybe column 1 is having 2 options. Okay, so like that you have to solve this, match the following. So already I have given the answers. You can see here. Column 1, upper jaw. Okay, see the answers directly. Okay, we will not discuss about the column 1 and 2. We will discuss directly about the answers. So upper jaw is an immovable joint which cannot move. Okay, so D. Then fish have fins on the body and have a streamlined body. Okay, so 2 answers of second, that is A and G. Then third one, ribs that protect the heart. Snail There are again two answers, that snail has an outer skeleton and shows very slow movement. Check your answers that you have written correct or not. If you have written something wrong, recorrect that. Then last one, that is cockroach can fly in the air and has an outer skeleton. Okay, so take the screenshot of this and check your answers that you have written in notebook. Okay, yes, and the last question of your exercise, that answer the following questions. Total 3 questions are there. First is that what is a ball and socket joint? So you have to write here in point wise. Okay, again and again I am saying, write your short answers, your brief answers in point wise only. Okay, in term 1 many students have written the essay like answer is there. Okay, in term 2 I will not allow these kind of things. Okay, you have to write these answers in point wise only. Okay, see, so what is a ball and socket joint? The rounded end of one bone fits into the hollow space of other bone, and this is called ball and socket joint. So you can draw here that diagram of ball and socket joint. Okay, then ball and socket joints allow movements in all the direction. Example, shoulder and hip can be moved in all direction. When there is a question of 2 marks, you have to write at least 4 points. Now the marks are not given, but if the question is there, what is the ball and socket joint? Only if the definition is there, you can write only these points. But if the question is for 2 marks, then you have to write the functions of that ball and socket joint also. Okay, so see, points, you can add the own points also that is related to only ball and socket joint. Okay, the next one, which of the skull bones are movable? Okay, so in skull only lower jaw is movable. Okay, lower jaw, see, you can move your lower jaw. So in skull only lower jaw is movable, not the upper jaw. And the last one, why can our elbow not move backwards? Okay, so see, our elbow cannot move backward because the elbow has a hinge joint that allows movement in only one direction. Understood? So for movement you have to learn the types of joints properly. Understood? So here we have discussed about our exercise. Check your answers with this. Okay, if you have written wrong, correct that answer and learn these answers carefully. Okay, bye, thank you.